Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new lesson, making a presentation impressive. Can you say which software can be used to make presentation? Yes, LibreOffice Impress. The software can be opened by Applications, Office, LibreOffice Impress. Okay. This is the window of LibreOffice Impress. Here we can see the title bar. You know that title of the software is seen at the title bar. Then below the title bar, menu bar is there, and lots of tools are arranged in two rows below the menu bar. That is the toolbar. Okay. And also we can see a slide pane here. Slide pane. And here we can see the properties window. If the properties window is not seen, we can take it from here. See properties. Okay. And also the slide pane is not visible. We can take it from view menu and slide pane option. Clear? See, this is our slide. Okay. Our first activity is to give background color to this slide. All of you are familiar with that method, right? For giving background color, go on slide menu and take the options properties. From there, we can select the required color for our background. Here I am selecting a gradient. See? Okay. So, our slide is filled with that gradient. Now, if we want to include another slide in this, what will we do? Go to slide menu and click on the option new slide. Suppose we want to give the same background. Here we have to repeat all the process that we have done earlier to apply that same gradient to this slide. And what can we do when there are a number of slides and we have to apply the same background to all the slides? LibreOffice Impress will provide us a facility to overcome this difficulty. Let's see that. Okay. See, this is the master slides window. Okay. From the available for use, here we can take the required background. Okay. See what happens. Now I am deleting this slide. You know how to delete a slide. Just right click on the slide and click on the delete slide option. Okay. Now try to insert another slide. The new slide will also get the same background. This is the use of master slides option. Now look, I am typing a heading for our slide. Global warming. Make suitable changes for the heading. That is changing the font size, alignment of the font color, etc. Okay. Now let's see how can we include a picture to this slide. Go to insert menu and click on image option. We can do the same by taking the shortcut from here. Insert image. Okay. Then we can select the desired picture. Here I am selecting a picture and open it. Now in the second slide, I am typing some details of global warming. Okay, here also I am going to add a picture. Can you see the typed text now? It's behind this picture, right? So we have to send this picture behind the text. For that, format menu, arrange option and send to back. Okay, now you can see the data clearly, can't you? We have to study some more points in this menu. Bring to front, bring forward, send backward and send to back. First one, bring to front. That is, if we have several pictures and if we want to send the picture, any one picture to the front, means to top of all pictures, then we have to use bring to front. Okay. The shortcut key is Control Shift plus. Okay. Next one, bring forward. This will help us to bring a picture just after another picture. That is just in the front of the next picture. Okay. The shortcut key is Control plus. Third one, send backward. This will send the picture one time backward. Okay. The shortcut key is Control minus. And the last one, send to back. This will send the picture to the back of the window. The shortcut key is Control Shift minus. Note that all these options are seen in Format menu. Now let's see how can we include a video in this slide. Okay, insert audio or video is the option. Then we can select the required video and open it. The video can be seen inside our slide. The properties window, we can see the play option, pause option, and stop option, and repeat option. Okay, we can see the begin and end of the video from here and adjust the volume from this tab. Okay. Our next activity, provide interaction. While browsing or visiting websites, it's a common practice to click on the links provided in them. Like this, you can link from the presentation to the video file or any other file using the interaction tool in LibreOffice Impress. First, type something to set it as an object. Okay, here I have typed click here. Then select that object and go to Format menu, Interaction option. Then from the window that opens, select Go to Document. Okay. The purpose is that when we click at the object, we will go to this particular document. Okay. From here, we can browse the required file and include it in our slide. Browse and select the required file. See, when we place the mouse pointer above this word, the mouse pointer changes to hand symbol, and when we click this, we can enter into the document we have given. Okay, is it clear for you? Okay children, it's time to wind up today's class. Thank you.